to our topic. Let's go back to our topic about sharing some skills. Just like what I said a while ago, one thing na skills na I know to myself na nagamit ko, na I use it during my hosting work is I never stop learning something new. Na the eagerness to learn something and also to do something outside my comfort zone. And this is one thing that I can tell you guys na isa sa mga one thing example is I never sing before. Yeah. I can also say na I'm not really a good singer, but uh, using my skills of eagerness to learn something, I discover something na hindi ko talent. Not really talent, but I still try to do. Yun kasi yun. Hindi naman kailangan, you don't need to be the best. You just need to try also. And that's also the good things na pwede mong i-apply as your skills. Learn something new, try something new, and yeah, do not think of other people will say. Ignore the basher. Kasi those basher will not help you to grow. If you keep accepting some basher on your life, kayo din yung mahihirapan kasi hindi sila nakakatulong on your mental health. It will not help you to grow. Kaya ignore some basher. Ignore the basher and just enjoy. And if that skills will help you to grow, that skills help you to be successful, why don't you try? Di naman kailangan, you don't need to be professional. You don't need to be a good. You just need to try it. Yun. So, doon ko na pasok yung doon ko na pasok yung skills natin ng eagerness. Diba? And also, one thing na I can say na I put myself outside the box, my comfort zone, kasi I also don't speak English before on my live stream kasi I'm very conscious na hello, Pinoy tayo. We're living in the Philippines where people are, we're gonna, instead of correcting you, they will love, nagtatawanan ka na. Imbis na kinokorrect ko, nagtatawanan. That's why very conscious ako on how do I will speak on people, how will I create conversation, especially those people outside Philippines na they don't speak Tagalog. So, I also, encourage myself na to try something new. And using my skills of eagerness to learn something new. Yun. Natutunan kong i-ignore na lang din yung mga nambabash na ano ba yung English mo, ate? And day by day, I learn to improve my English. And that's the things I can also share to you guys. Kasi I know most of the people in the Philippines they are also afraid to speak English kasi they afraid to be judged. Kasi yung mga taong tumatawa sila pa, hindi rin naman marunong. Sobrang perfect. And also encouraging some of our viewers, you might guys in considering being one of the hosts. Yeah! Hello, it is actually hard to speak English in the Philippines kasi I don't know why the nature of people here is they love when you speak English, pabarok-barok. Not so good. No, they just lack of confidence. It's not about confidence kasi confidence already, kaya hindi nabuboost ang confidence. That's the reason why some Filipino are not boosted, the confidence is not boosted. It is because they are afraid already. Kasi nga, people here are, instead of correcting you, they will laugh of you. Tingnan mo, hindi ko pronunciation ko eh. But day by day, if you are surrounded with a good environment and healthy environment, if you're surrounded with yourself with the healthy people, day by day you will learn to improve yourself. Just like how I learned to improve my English skills. I started to Joke lang. 100% joke lang. 100%. But most people don't understand Tagalog. Yeah, especially here in Bigua. Kasi nga, our language na lahat nakakaalam is English. So the best way to communicate with people is to speak in English. Yeah. If you are really interested if you are really dedicated to your hosting, you should try something new. You should try also learning English because people here in Vigo is not the only not all of them are speaking Tagalog. So hindi lahat maiintindihan ka. And mostly na napapansin ko sa mga host natin na na they are focusing on speaking Tagalog sa mga Pinoy lang din. So learn something new and also be open to to learn also the differences of other people. Right? So, pag naririnig niyo ako nag-English ngayon ay sa mga nagko-comment yan sa video. Hayaan mo na lang naiintindihan. As long as you understand my English, that's the most important. It's not important if you say it correctly, the grammar is correctly. As long as people you are talking is they understand you. That's the most important thing. So, yun naman ang mahalaga. Ulit-ulit na nasasabi ko eh. Exactly. So, yun yung skills na I can share you guys. It's not about skills for being a good English speaking, but the skills of eagerness to learn something, to also try something new. Yan. Yun yung dapat na matutunan nyo. You should learn it. Yung ganong skills. Kasi it will help you to grow, not only by being a host, but also on your daily living. You can use it. Malay nyo, some of you guys mapunta na sa ibang bansa, magkaroon ng good opportunity outside Philippines. At least you know how to communicate with other people. Yun yung the best skills na you should learn also. Diba? If you are Filipino, you must speak in your language. Yes, but that's also true, sir. Major pain kung ano man yun. That's also, you need to also learn different language. Like, not really different language, but you should learn English to communicate with other people also. Kasi hindi ka naman makikipag-usap lang sa mga tao sa Pinas unless okay ka na yun lang yung alam mong language, di ba? Our topic today is sharing some skills to you guys. Kasi the best skills na I can share you is, yun nga, eagerness to learn something na hindi man sa language or something na matutunan mo. Yung eagerness mo sa isang bagay, yun yung mahalaga. Di ba? Number. Also. Ano yung babakil? Ano ba sabi ni Sir Chill Boy? Speak English, don't speak in your language, I can understand. Oo, halata nga sa mo eh. Ano yun yung babakrit ko? May comment ba si Sir Si Sir Chili Boy. Chili Boy. What will I like it, I do. Yan ba yung pinababakit mo yung I like it, I do? Tsaka lahat naman ng Pinoy, mostly of Pinoy talaga, they know how to speak Tagalog. So, this is the best way kung paano mo i-improve yung speaking skills mo na makakapag-communicate ka with other people also. Diba? Well, here overall, show. Okay, let's sing another song, guys. And try tayo na other song. We still have, we're just talking about one topic. 8 minutes na lang natitira sa atin. Sabi ko na kung lagi, kapag when it comes to topic na na i-open mo ng isang like this live house, 30 minutes is not enough. I remember my last live house also when I'm sharing something naman na something about my everyday hero as a woman in power, kung paano na-empower yung pagiging babae ko. Yes. Hindi rin, parang I think the whole 30 minutes, it's like only 5 minutes. Pero if you want to learn more about me, if you want to know me more, you can always visit me, guys. I do live every day, 6 a.m. until 8 a.m. and also on the evening. You can include me on your special follow so you will notify on my live daily po. Okay? Thank you so much. To everyone staying on our live house, Women in Power Live House, maraming salamat po. I would like to take this opportunity to promote my last PK for this month. Ayan, I have my last PK tomorrow night at 9:30 p.m. po. Ayan, I have my 60% free date tomorrow on my PK, so I hope you can come and join me, guys. Ayan, and also we have voting box here on the side. You can vote using your favorites and bells. Salamat po. Last one, guys. If you want to still talk to me, guys, you can visit me on my live. I will still do live until 4 p.m. po. Until 4 p.m. tayo. Thank you, everyone.
Cover speech.
Pico Admin, thank you po for giving me the slot for today for Women in Power.